How to remove the background of a picture in Microsoft Word. To remove the background, we click on the picture, go to the Format tab, then on Remove Background, and now you can see this pink-purple color. And this color is basically the cropping shape for our picture. So everything in pink will be removed from the background or from the picture. Now it can be the case that you still want to keep some areas that are colored in pink. So therefore click on Mark Areas to Keep. Then you can simply mark these areas and you can see that Word will adapt its shape. Of course we can also do the opposite, so we can mark some additional areas that we want to remove. Again, mark them and Word should adapt this shape. Of course you have to realize that Word is not a professional image editing software, so it won't be perfect. Now, when you're finished, simply click on Keep Changes, and as you can see, the background is now removed. And that's it. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.